What is good? What is good, chat? How we doing? Good afternoon. Welcome back to the Kill Zone, ASFX TV. What's going on, guys? Artwan, Jamie, what's going on? What's going on? How we doing, everyone? Good to be back. It is Wednesday. Market is going up irrationally once again. All this market does is go up. Yeah, what a day, man. So far, I can do a little recap on my week. So far, we are green from Monday. You guys were watching us on the Kill Zone on Monday. I don't think I took any trades for the PM session, but we kind of went over the day's trades and we were green. I took a short yesterday, Tuesday. I took a short. That was a red day. So that put me at pretty much break even for the week. And today, I'm not proud to say it, but I'm still short. I'm still looking for shorts. I am in quite a comical looking position here. 2 micros. You see here, who saw on my X account, I was talking about this 80% setup that looked really high probability at the time, right here. It was looking really good in the Asia session. Thought we were going to get a clean 80% setup down to the previous day's POC, a fill of the new day opening gap. I mean, by all measures, this is like a bread and butter setup for me. You know, we got James in here. Let me throw him up. Let's try this one. Yo. Boss. What's good?
Good, bro.
Well, chilling, man. Just going over my my stupidity, or not my stupidity, just my bad trading. I'll just finish this real quick. So like I made a post about this short that I took in the Asia session. Super excited about it, bro. Thinking we had a clear move down to previous day's point of control as a draw in liquidity. We had the new day opening gap, overextended market, got in. This thing went like 400 ticks in my favor immediately in the Asia session. But, you know, I was only trading 2 micros. So I was like, let's hold this for the full move. Let me go to bed. Went to bed and the market's just like making new highs. It's getting a little bit silly that I'm still in this trade. But again, it's only 2 micros. I mean, I am now in an $800 losing trade, which is like a little bit more than I'd be comfortable with. But it is what it is. This is where I'm at. I'm trying to give it some room. We have a bearish SMT here. I think I'm cooked, though. Like, I would not be telling anyone else to take this trade. James, I just can't stop trying to short, bro. It's where I'm at. I just can't stop trying to short. It worked on Monday. Tuesday, it did not work. I was red. And now Wednesday, I'm probably going to be red.
Yeah, I mean, dude, the shorts have just been so tough. So on Monday, I did take that swing. Remember, swing long position, short position. Oh, yeah. I ended up closing it actually before market close. I was up like 6 points. So I was like, stuff that I'm actually, I want to see how Asia moves. And then obviously Asia ripped. So I'm quite thankful for that.
Oh, dude, thank God. Yeah, shit.
Yeah. So I was in at like, what was it? 229. I closed at like 223 or something like that. And I was like, you know what, stuff it. I want to see what Asia does. And that's the day, look here, that Asia ended up obviously ripping. Yeah. So I was in like this, something like that.
Yeah.
And I ended up closing like up 6 or 7 points, something like that. So
good for you, man. Good.
Because I was like, you know what, stuff, let's see what Asia does. And that's when Asia absolutely ripped. That day just was straight up, literally 73 points straight up.
That's fire. There you go. I mean,
yes, it's been a lot more bullish today than NQ.
Yeah, it's been way stronger than NQ. I mean, NQ has not taken the high day yet, and ES has been like way past it. They both kind of got a rejection here, though, after that. So, like, it's hard, man, because I see, you know, there's an SMT divergence up at the highs. But the problem is with how bullish this market has been, the bearish SMT divergence signals are just not something you can really hold a lot of weight to, because the market's just so damn bullish. It just doesn't do much right now. So, you know.
Yeah. It's not really giving much weight to it. I made money long buying the NASDAQ today. I made about $2,000 on my live accounts today.
Nice.
Yeah, like 600 on a personal, the rest on prop.
Can you go over your long? Like, so where do you get long in this market?
Yeah. I took long. Yeah, these things still need to update, but this way I took my 2 longs. So first long here, just right after the open, actually, like 9 minutes after the open. We break above the daily view app. We did drop down just before the open. And then I got long in here, back up towards the highs. And then literally it was so much shit. So I end up taking the next bounce play there. I was like, listen, if it moves like 10 points in my favor and bounce me out of it, and then I end up getting like an 82-point win on that. So
nice.
That was my trade. Yeah.
That's awesome. And no, it's fire trade, man. I'm sorry. I was just laughing because Michael just goes, ZARB, what the hell is that short? It looks so ridiculous. It's so bad. It's so retarded. I don't know, dude. I'm only in 2 micros, so I kept telling myself, like, I'm just fucking holding.
Yeah, sometimes that can be the worst because you're like, oh well, I don't really have to close this until it's down $2,000, and then you're like,
yeah, exactly. I keep thinking to myself because these are 100K top one futures accounts, so I do have a $4,000 max loss limit. So I'm just like, two micros. Let's try and see if we could still hold this and get that PM sell off. But it does look ridiculous at this point.
Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, it's pretty.
But I'm nowhere near my risk of ruin, which is, I might not be trading amazing right now. It might not be like the best execution, but from a risk perspective, it's not the worst. I'm nowhere near blowing accounts or anything like that.
Sure. Yeah, well, that's obviously always good, right?
Yeah, but we'll see, man. Yeah, the short does look pretty bad. I'll go back to your screen for now, James. I feel like you whatever you're doing is working better than me lately. So.
Yeah, well, it's just buying. Like, I think it's just been waiting for good opportunities to buy, maybe. That's really it. It's not really anything too special, Yeah. Tesla's ripping up new highs. So, video, interesting, bro. Very interesting market right now, I must say.
It's just incredible that like, dude, honestly, I mean, we've seen quite a few bull markets in the last few years now on the indices. I think this has been one of the most aggressive bull markets I've seen. I think this is the most aggressive bullish market I've ever traded personally, because we're just not getting pullbacks. I mean, what we have done in the last 3 weeks is absurd, bro.
Yeah, it's absurd. It is. It's crazy.
It really is. Let's get a P&L check with you guys. I see Michael says he's cooking on his new Apex 50Ks. Bought them on May 1st, halfway through the evals. Dope, dude. Let's go. Shout out Apex. I don't know if that happened on Monday. I think it was yesterday. I got my my $8,000 Apex payout approved. So
yeah,
that's always a nice feeling. So those accounts are approved. Money is taken out of the account. So I could trade Apex. I haven't done anything on those yet today, but I'm thinking I might as well just sit in the stupid short that I'm in on top one futures. Why do anything else?
Oh, is that just top one futures? So not like your Apex or anything like that?
No, just top one futures. No Apex, nothing else.
Nice.
Apex accounts are flat right now. Shout out Apex though. Let's go. I think, guys, today, if you do want to trade with Apex, I think today's the last day for 90% off with code ZARB. So lock it in if you want to take advantage. You guys know how it is. Will they do another 90% off sale? Yeah, probably soon. But sometimes they go a month without doing it. And I'm the type of guy, I only buy Apex accounts when it's 90% off. If it's 80%, I'm like, yeah, it's not worth it. So take advantage if you can, because you never know. Maybe they do another 90% off in 2 weeks. Maybe they do it in a month and a half. There's no rhyme or reason.
I see Jimmy's up 500 times 3. Good work, bro. Good to hear from you, Jimmy. We haven't, I think we've spoken in a while.
Let's go. The new accounts are nice, man. Not going to lie. Seems easy and straightforward. Yeah, the new plans are they're honestly solid. Like 50% consistency rule, end of day drawdown. There's no profit target. I think you just need to be above your buffer. You need 5 winning days. It's a totally standard plan, like nothing special, but also nothing hard, no weird arbitrary rules, and you have the ability to trade 20 accounts. So how do I manage a funded account? Mostly failed when I get it. How do you manage a funded account? I would say if you're failing your accounts constantly, just size down, trade 1 micro, bro, and just try to trade like that. You're probably oversizing.
Yeah.
James, what day are you flying out?
Friday, bro. Yeah,
Dude,
Friday.
let's go. So you're gonna be in Miami at first.
Yes, sir.
Dude,
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
so
looking forward
hyped.
to it, dude.
Me too, man. Me too. It is time. We're about to party, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool. Checking everyone in person for sure. Yeah, not really too much going on yet, Zach. I'm just watching YM here on the lower time frames, but I mean everything is moving higher, right? Like,
Everything's moving higher.
NQ 578 right now. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if this just takes half day, bro. Personally.
Yep. Yeah, no, couldn't say I'm surprised either, man. I feel like the only thing that's going to really move this market down is just it would have to be like a crazy news headline. That's it. Nothing else is going to bring this thing down at this point.
Yeah, agreed.
Okay, so the dude who asked us why he's always blowing his funded accounts, he says, I risk half of my drawdown. That's why. That's why you blow them. Excuse me. Hey, this dude says, hey, I'm almost sold on the ASFX subscription. Looking forward to DC, to joining. Do you mean joining the community? Come through, man. Let's go. I mean, just try it out for free. You could use the link in the description of this video and just check it out for free before you, take the plunge. Jamie, you want a Lucid 25K account on stream this morning? On what stream? On PFM? Or somewhere else? Yeah. Michael, yeah, he's saying he likes that. It's like, it's funny because like we shouldn't feel like this is a crazy thing, but Michael says, I also like, he's talking about the new Apex plans. He says, I like that there's no payout denials now. If you can request the payout, then you're going to get your payout approved. You can't request it. If you break any rules, you're not going to be able to request it. So now it's impossible to get a payout denial from Apex.
Sure.
That seems to be holding true now. I haven't seen any denials since they did the new plan.
Interesting. Yeah, nice. Yeah, it has been a minute, Jimmy, but it's good to see that you're still in the game, boss.
Do I know Jimmy?
You probably.
He was in the Black Shark Club?
Yeah.
Can't remember him off the top of my head. How did the ASFX boys do? I'm guessing they cooked.
Yeah, longs, I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm sure they cooked.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Austin has no problem buying high and selling higher. He has no issue with it. Yeah, he always kills it in these types of markets.
Yeah. Yeah, Tesla almost back up to 400 now, bro. It's ripping.
Bro, when this thing finally sells off, it is going to be bloody. That's all I know. It's going to be bloody when this thing finally pulls back on a higher time frame.
Yeah, probably going to be a good week or so, at least until we see some form of pullback there.
Maybe, but when it happens, I don't know about when, but I know that when it does happen, it's going to be bloody as hell, bro. This thing is going to free fall. I'm not saying down to the ground or to the lows, or I'm just saying in whatever that happens that day, when it finally sells off, this shit is going to tank 1,000 ticks in like 20 minutes. I guarantee it. It's so overextended. It's like actually disgusting at this point.
BTC was above 82K for some point today. At some point.
Yeah, Michael says we cooked on longs today. Talking about this morning. Yep.
Yeah.
I believe it. Were you streaming to your YouTube, James?
I took the longs on my YouTube channel, yes, sir, at the open.
Nice. And you were on the London stream today on PFM.
Yeah. Geez, you get a hold of that crowd, boss.
Dude, I was laughing about that with Luna. I've noticed the London audience.
Dude, it's actually childish, bro. To be quite honest, Like,
what did they do exactly? Give me the context.
Dude, literally just came in the chat and was like, I said that you must take I'm going to be taking a break when I leave for the States. And he's like, excuse my language, I'm just repeating what he said. He's like, only bitches take breaks. And then I was like, what the hell? And then he was like, yeah, well, and then I was like, okay. I just left it. And then he was like, yeah, if you bald, you're a bitch. And I was like, okay.
What the fuck?
I don't understand what you're trying to say, but no way.
Dude, that's insane. Yeah, I don't know what it is, because the people in London, they also will they'll hate on Luna too. I'll see they'll give him shit. I don't experience that in New York. I mean, every now and then, like I had a guy today on the stream. What was he doing? He was just calling me an idiot for shorting, and like not just being jokingly, like where they try to be kind of rude to a certain point, and you're like, bro, what is good? Why are you so emotional about this?
Yeah, I agree, dude. Like, what's wrong? Who hurt you, bro?
Who hurt you? You know what I did though? I said, all right, let's do this. I think his name was Michael something. I was like, all right, Mike, let's do this. DM me on X. Here's my X account. If you have more payouts than I do in 2026, I told him, I'll wire you $1,000 right now. Crickets. Bro,
dude, most people like that. It's just, I don't actually entertain it too much, but obviously it's coming up on stream all the time. And you're like trying to speak, and like, what the hell? Yeah,
Jesus, you got to come on to the New York AM session more often too, bro.
Yeah,
hop on there anytime. You're always welcome.
100%.
Who needs a Bloomberg terminal when we got Donald's social media account? Truth. Oh, what up, D? This is D one and only. This dude's in my Discord. He says that Apex end of D eval, he banked on Asia with us last night. I did an Asia scalping stream last night. Made money there, and you finished it this morning. Let's go. Congrats, bro.
Yeah, dude, not to NQ making a new hire.
NQ's making a higher high.
Yeah, high. It's 582 now.
People are acting as if your trades are theirs. Like, brother, relax, dude. Seriously, it's crazy. It's also like, when you stream as much as me and James and Austin and everyone, dude, we are going to take bad trades on stream. Like, we can't trade 5 days a week live and not do dumb shit every now and again. It's impossible.
100%. Yeah, into new high, bro. This is going higher.
Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, what up? Decipher the algo. We got Christian in the chat. What's good, man? Haven't heard from you in a minute. Yo, did you see what happened to him, James?
What happened?
Bro, his accounts got hacked. Like his entire computer got hacked or something. Huh. Right, bro? He didn't have access to his shit for like a long time, I think, like a month. And it was like a whole thing apparently. Bro, I'm glad that you got everything secured eventually, man. That's crazy. Fighting those hackers. That's crazy, man.
Yeah, that is wild.
Got to go to a meeting. See you guys in Tampa. Peace out, Barry.
Yes, brother.
About 2 weeks, still working on it. God bless encrypted passwords. Dude. Yeah, it was incredible, man. Yeah, I'm glad it's, I'm glad you're back up and running, bro. I think he couldn't get into anything, James, for like 2 weeks.
That's wild. Yeah, no, that's... Yeah, dude, but, at the end of the day, Zach, just in terms of that, I always say, just stay focused on your own trading. Like, always going to hate someone talking shit.
Dude, yeah. Nah, people are retarded. They just, I don't know what it is, because I have like I know there's other traders who've asked me like, how do you stream this much and like deal with all the people when they talk shit on a bad trade or something? I'm like, bro, like, no disrespect to the chat. I love you guys. But it's like, unless I know you personally through like the Black Shirt Club or something, or like a little bit more in depth, like I don't know you. Like, you know what I mean? It doesn't bother me if somebody's being mean. They're trying to be a dick. Genuinely just doesn't do anything to me.
Yeah. That's how it should be. Yeah, we're making new houses. Like, I don't know, but
I'm cooked.
Yeah.
I'm cooked. Dude,
are you gonna try and hold? What's your plan? Like,
I mean, I'm gonna stick to my original plan. Was I'm gonna wait until it makes a new high day, and if that happens, I'm gonna cut it, and it sucks, but it is what it is. So I'm just holding it, bro. I don't know. I'm kind of checked out.
Sure.
Michael says, yo, Zarb, I saw your new place on stream a while back, brother. Those views are incredible. Thank you, man. I can't wait to move in. I'm moving in June. Can't wait to get out of the place I'm in.
Thank you. Picking up some strength here. 590, almost 28,600.
Bro. You know, Zach, may I ask, when do you think is the right time to change strategy? Because I'm steady losing and it's a good strategy. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. What do you think, James? What would you say to that? I feel like, first off, I need to know, what do you mean it's a good strategy? Are you following it to a T and it's not working? Because then maybe it's not the best strategy, or maybe it's the market conditions, or are you taking a couple of losses that are part of your system, but then you start tilting or something and over trading?
Yeah.
If you're doing that, that's different. So there's a bunch of things it could be.
Yeah, I think yeah. Do you have a trading plan first and foremost? Like how do you trade? What's your trading plan, say, at the moment? If you don't have that written out, personally, I have mine written out, but I think you always should. But especially if you're a new trader.
Yeah, so I would need more context then. I mean, it is possible that you're following a profitable trading strategy, but the conditions are just not going to be in tune with that strategy. Because if your strategy is more based on mean reversion, well, there is no mean reversion right now. Market just goes up. So
exactly.
You might actually just need to lower your size significantly, which is something I'm doing right now, and wait until the market conditions even out again, which they will. They will. What is happening right now is not what's usually happening. I do this every day we're on stream, but if you go to the daily chart, this is what the market is doing the majority of the time. It's doing this. It's moving overall in one direction on the higher time frame, but you are reverting back to equilibrium, reverting back to the mean on your way towards that overall trend. That's what the market's doing most of the time. This took over 150 trading days, over 200 calendar days to go from here to here. Now we look at this. This took about 3 weeks, literally 25 trading days. So this is not what's usually happening. The market is going to have to slow down and go back into some form of daily consolidation eventually. And then it's probably going to stay in a daily consolidation for a longer period of time than this move up where we've just been in price discovery. So if you can't trade this, it's not the end of the world.
Universal trades aren't going to work in the stock market. They're just not.
Exactly. They're just not going to work in it. But, you will be able to trade a mean reversion type of style again as soon as we go back into a daily consolidation. And when we do get into that daily consolidation, it's going to be like that for a lot longer than whatever this move is where we've been in price discovery.
Yeah.
It's a strategy from the course I bought. People are winning on Discord, but I'm taking losses. It's an SMC high time frame strategy. I will not mention the mentor name. Okay. If it's based off the higher time frame, I don't know, man. I need more, I don't know. They show markups and teach with multiple videos and live sessions. I mean, if they're actually trading live and winning, and that's verified, then it's got to be something you're doing wrong. Like, I don't know the strategy exactly, so it's hard for me to say. But also be careful, right? Because people can easily show hindsight trades. They might not be able to show it in person, though.
Yeah, exactly.
Just insane, man. Just up, 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 gap up, continue. Insane.
It's 586. It's going to 600, bro.
Mm-hmm. Easily.
Jeez, dude, this is a crazy market, I must say.
Dude,
I don't even think the April bounce was this hard.
What'd you say?
April last year.
No, it wasn't. This really has been the most aggressive, bullish market up to all-time highs that I've ever traded personally in my 5 years. It really has been. Straight boink higher. Yep. Straight boink. Do you overtrade it? Did you overtrade at the start of your journey, and how did you stop it? Yeah, I think we all did.
Yeah.
It's hard because when you're first into trading, you want to press the button a lot. But eventually you get to a point that you just realize that that's going to hurt you more than it helps you. And you just got to, like, I would rather sit in a trade with a wide stop loss and give it room than take 5 attempts at the same idea, personally. It's just easier on the mental.
100%. Yeah, I mean, also a good rule is to maybe just give yourself like 3 trades per day max. Depends on what type of trader you are. You're a swing, day trader, scalper. Give yourself a max amount of, especially if you are new and you're struggling with it, you got to give yourself hard set rules, because otherwise you're just not going to keep making the same mistakes over and over again, right?
Yep. Exactly. Here we go. 600's next. Fellas, how you feeling about single stock futures? Asks Michael. I'm pretty excited. Okay, so I'm excited about this. I actually would like to get your opinion on this, James. And I was thinking about this. Here's the thing about the single stock futures. Okay, I've heard a lot of people, some futures traders that have been trading futures longer than me, and people that understand the internals of the market a lot better than I do. And they're saying that these single stock futures are not necessarily going to be as good as we're preparing them to be, because we have to see how many people in the real market actually trade them, because the liquidity is going to determine everything. One reason why NQ and ES are some of the best futures contracts to trade is because they're hyper liquid. Compare like the NQ on the CME to Bitcoin futures, for example. Like, watch, let me go to the Bitcoin futures. Let's go to BTC. Bitcoin futures. Here we go. Okay, you see how all of the candles are very jagged. There's a lot of open spaces in between each candle. Well, this is the thing. Nobody trades this, and they don't trade this because there's virtually no liquidity. So it's not actually a viable thing to be day trading, especially day trading. When you don't have a lot of liquidity in that contract, it's not going to be this like awesome, smooth, easy thing like NQ and ES, even in sim conditions, because they mirror the real market conditions. There's a reason none of us trade Bitcoin futures. right? There really is. So
yeah, because the market's thin.
Yeah. So a lot of people are going to have the same experience with these single stock futures. Like now, maybe the big caps are going to be liquid enough, like Tesla, Nvidia, Apple.
Yeah, they probably will.
Maybe. Yeah, we'll see. But so I don't know. That's one thing. I think if the big caps are good enough, then it's going to be awesome. But if they're not, if it trades anything like Bitcoin futures does, it's really not going to be that big of a deal. And I think most people are probably not even going to trade it. But we'll see. Yeah, see, Decipher the Algo says, got to go perps. He's saying you got to trade perpetual futures, like on a crypto exchange for that liquidity. Yeah, but who knows? Maybe the futures single stocks are going to be very liquid, at least the big caps. I really don't know.
Yeah, it's interesting because obviously on the CFDs, we've had single stock CFDs for many, many years now.
Yeah. It's kind of different though, because they just simulate the market. Like
yeah, exactly. You don't really need a book to make the market run now.
Yeah, they're simulating what's happening on the New York Stock Exchange, but the futures contract is going to have it be its own thing, isolated.
Dude, NQ 594 at the moment.
I'm cooked. Golden info. I will stick to trade the pool for single stocks. Was trading perpetual stocks on BitGet and spreads were super tight. That's cool. Yeah, trade the pool as a single stock prop firm. I'm surprised you've never traded them, James.
What? Traded what?
It's a single stock futures prop firm. They've been around for a long time, actually. It's called
I've traded single stocks on BitGet. I've traded single stocks on there.
There's a prop futures stock.
And also trade. Say again.
It's a single stock prop firm, though.
Interesting. Well, I can just trade it with FTMO. Like I don't. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, that's true. That's true.
Watch you move. Let it come.
Oh yeah, what's ES sitting at? ES is sitting at 366. Jeez, dude. Any questions in the chat or any trade that you guys want us to cover or anything like that? Always make sure to put it through.
Dude, isn't this song fire?
It is. MT5 tempting, but I cannot get over MT5. Yeah, we 100%.
All right, here comes 600. Yeah, Michael, I didn't think about this either until I heard some people that know the futures market a lot better than I do talk about it. And I was like, oh shit, that makes perfect sense. So yeah, we'll see. I think hopefully the big caps are going to be easily tradable because it would be great to have that option. Yeah. Someone says, ZARB, who's the undercover rapper on screen with you? Decipher the algo. You're working on a platform, bro? That's interesting. Hell yeah. This dude's saying, what punishment should I take when I overtrade? 20 lashings. You're going to lash yourself 20 times.
No, I mean, a good thing to go in terms of that would be ban yourself from trading for the next day. It's as simple as that. You want to overtrade? Well, you got to, ban yourself from trading for the next day.
Yeah. Someone's asking if we're waiting for a setup. Are you waiting for anything, James? I'm not waiting for nothing.
Dude, this is just moving higher, bro. I mean, we're on 606 right now on NQ. It's crazy. 605, 606.
A lot of people are saying we're going to hit 30,000 before we get any real pullback. I'm starting to think that's possible.
Yeah, I mean, dude, look at this daily time frame, bro. Just, geez, since the beginning of April, just literally it's up from the lows 24%. And there has, I mean, in that time, since the 31st of March, there has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bearish days. 5.
And they're barely bearish.
Look, when we were on stream and when I first started coming on the kill zone, if we look at this crap, this was actually nice trading days, I must say.
It was great. Yeah.
You could find moves in both directions, you know?
Yep.
Over here. Now,
exactly.
So literally, if you haven't got a nice buy price, it's actually makes it quite tough to actually buy, I must say.
Mm-hmm. Dude, it's really
Wine's actually trading off all-time highs. It hasn't hit all-time highs yet. It's trading at 920. Still got another 600 points to all-time highs.
Yeah, YM seems like it's a little easier to trade lately.
It has been, actually. Yeah, I'm not waiting for anything to set up right now, Zach. There's nothing really. I mean, I don't want to be purchasing at this price. Although I think it probably does close to the highs, like maybe up here somewhere, 620.
No, me neither, man. Dude, guys, did you see that Apex has a podcast now? They interviewed Tyler G. I got to listen to it still. But this is what's so funny about Apex. Like everybody else, if they have a podcast, they do it on video, right? Apex, of course, it's like an audio podcast. Only available on Spotify. But I'm going to listen to it. Shout out Tyler G. There we go. A little pullback here. Dude, I'm doing this this prop trader fest this weekend, James. I don't know if you've heard about that thing.
I did it last time. Yeah.
You did it last time. Cool. Yeah, I'm interviewing, I guess, or like having a conversation with Austin and with Tyler G. So I'm going to do 2 little segments. They're like 20 minutes each. So that should be cool. Let me drop the link for that, actually. It's like a free virtual event, guys.
Yeah, with Boris and Kathy.
Boris and Kathy, yeah, exactly. Here, I'm going to drop the link in here. Hey, guys, is the best discount for Lucid only 30%? I think it's 40, or at least the first account is 40. And then the rest are 30. It's something like that. Arwen, use code ZARB. Get that discount. But yeah, this Prop Trader Fest is gonna be cool, man.
Yeah, quite a lot of people actually on there, I must say.
Yeah, let's see who the people are. So, this is why I wanted to bring it up, because one of the segments, this is gonna be fire, man. So it's gonna be a 3-way interview. I think Boris is doing the interview, but it's going to be with the founder of Apex, the founder of Tradeify, and the founder of Lucid. All 3 of them together on one segment. That's going to be fucking sick. So Daryl, this dude never does podcasts. He's actually doing this. It's insane. So that's the CEO of Apex, or the founder. And then, of course, we all know Brett Simba and AJ from Lucid. It's going to be the 3 of them together. It's going to be hella interesting. And Tyler G, Austin. There's me. Dude, they keep getting stuff wrong about me. I'm not a VWAP trader. It's blasphemy. What are they doing? They say I'm a VWAP trader on this. And then for the Prop Firm Expo, look what they say on the Prop Firm Expo. They say I'm the founder of ASFX. They don't know me, bro.
Someone's saying that you just tried and it's 30% only. Interesting.
Okay. You might have already. I think it's 40% for like your first account ever, and I think the rest are 30. Back up. Is anybody in a trade? Yo, James, I'll be right back. I gotta just grab my charger. I'll be right back.
Yeah, no worries. I'm just watching markets. Yeah. Yeah, 600 on NQ right now. Yeah. I mean, it's not really doing too much right now. It's going higher. If you are long already from like this pullback or you flat, personally, that's where you would want to be getting long. Right, like a pullback to that close to that VWAP. Right now, it's too hard to be purchasing for me. Yeah, close so strong, yeah. Oh, dude. Crazy, even ES now.
I'm like getting fatigued by it, man. It's really not a fun market to trade.
No.
Me, at least. Like, I don't have fun trading this shit every day. It's like no creativity. It's just like, just goes up.
No creativity. Dude, I mean, yes, no. I mean, you could, if you're looking like a 5-minute time frame, this would be where the players are, right? From a VWAP perspective. Off of that VWAP, you could have bought it at 360. You'd be up to 368 right now. So it's not a massive move, but going higher.
Yeah, something, I guess. Yo, James, look at this, bro.
Oh, look.
Their star player of the Sixers is out on an injury. Cool. Oh, dude, they're so done. 6-6, baby. Let's go. Sorry, Austin. Oh, yeah, man.
Yeah,
that'll be a fun game tonight.
Yeah, Joel Embiid. He's like, if he's out, it's done. Well, that sucks because then we'll have to definitely watch in New York. Then it'll be further to drive.
Oh, to go to a game? Is that how it's going to play out?
A game, yeah.
Hey, it'll be easier for me. I think Austin said he already has tickets for Game 4.
Yeah, for that series, though.
For that series, I guess, yeah. Oh, looks like you froze up a little bit, James.
Yeah.
It's all good. What else is going on, guys? I mean, this market just goes up. It sucks because the last couple of weeks, it's been really hard to give commentary on this market. Okay, you're not frozen anymore, by the way. You're back.
Yeah, sure. It comes and goes, bro. Even wine picking up some momentum now. It's the high side. It's been lagging a bit today. Yeah, it's been actually underneath the New York session VWAP. Maybe I've moved back up towards the highs there on YM, but Yeah, other than that. Jeez. Crazy, dude. I must say, yeah. But again, like I've managed to keep it simple, make money long. So
like I just want something exciting to happen. Like give us a 400-point sell-off in the PM session just to make me feel something. Just goes up.
Yeah, and it's like grindy up. Like look at this.
Yeah, like it's boring.
It's like you've moved 50 points in the space of 51 minutes.
Yeah, which is nothing for NQ. Just this slow, brutal grind up.
That was a nice pullback though, I must say, at 7 p.m. So just before we actually got on stream.
This is cool for anyone that trades with Take Profit Trader. They finally got rid of that terrible rule. There used to be this rule, James, where if you forget to close your position out and the system closes it for you at 5 p.m.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry, I lost you. There used to be this rule on Take Profit Trader where if you forget to close your position at the end of the day and the system closes it for you at 5 p.m., your account would be blown.
Interesting. That's not a great rule, bro.
Terrible rule. So they finally got rid of it, apparently. I guess that's a W. I mean, dude, I love Take Profit Trader. They have an amazing account plan, daily payouts, no payout caps, but that was always such a, I mean, it's really, that it never bothered me as a rule because I'm never in a trade past 3 p.m. anyway, but it was like a stupid rule. You know what I mean? It just didn't make sense. I don't know, man. I still believe in this. I think we're going lower. What really annoys me too is we came like a few ticks away from midnight and the London session lows, and we just didn't take them. Like, how do you get that close and you just don't take them, dude?
A little bit of a pullback there on NQ.
Yeah, a little bit, a little something.
Yeah, and then straight back up.
The market's waiting for a headline, man. Like, there's going to be a headline that either brings this thing to finally drop. And I feel like it will happen in a weird scenario where it's either going to happen like in the overnight session or at like 3:30 p.m., you know?
Yeah. So if you are watching, the guys are going to be live at the Open tomorrow. ASFX TV, right?
Yes, sir. Here, I'll drop the link. Here, guys. If you do want to check out ASFX TV for free at the Open with the rest of the boys, you can use this link right here. It will automatically give you a month for free. It has the courses on there. It has my course, Liquidity Concepts. It has Evan and Austin's course, Futures 101 and 2.0. James has a course he's working on. A lot of cool stuff on there and daily live streams every single day. Market Open. Then you got me and James as well in the PM session. A lot of content on there.
These songs are fire, actually, bro.
Bro, I'm telling you, they're fire. It's crazy how good they are.
They are, actually. Dude. Back to 598. It's where swing trading is actually quite powerful, bro. You're catching all of this and you're just trading.
Oh, 100%, man. ZARB, tell James we're nicer here. He doesn't need to wear the hat.
I haven't worn a hat for a few days now, so I got to mix it up, you know. We're nice, yeah.
Yeah.
James, since you're from SU, you must meet Jamie, who is a trader, did some stuff for Aquafona. Nice. Yeah, I must be honest, I don't really pay too much attention to the space in South Africa, just because it's just sometimes it's just full of skunks and influencers, if you want to put it simply. But yeah, I'll definitely check him out.
You think it's worse in South Africa than like somewhere else?
100%.
Really?
Dude, you got the influencers can't even like string a sentence together that actually makes sense. Like, how you don't know they're scams beyond me. But anyway, it's like, yeah.
Yeah, that's crazy.
It's bad, bro. It's bad. Put it that way.
Why do you think it's so bad in South Africa?
Because there's a lot of uneducated people that are very desperate, unfortunately. So people like, oh, but this guy, he drives a nice car and he shows how easy it is to make money trading. So it must be easier. I must be able to do it. And they're like, geez, I have my last $100. I'll just give it to him. And then all of a sudden he's taking like 5,000 people's $100 and sitting on flipping like 50 grand, $500,000, and he's also, and he never returns it, you know?
Damn. So is South Africa like, is it a place where the disparity is like really intense of like the haves and the have-nots?
Yes.
Yeah. Like worse than the States, you're saying?
Yeah. 100%, bro. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, I know that guy, Rolio Jack. He's actually, I've met him before. He's actually a good guy. He exposes all of them. I like what he does, bro. He exposes those clowns. It's actually bad, bro, because they're not even preying on rich people. They're preying on poor people. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. 100%.
Like, dude, exactly. This is what they do. This is exactly what they do. Okay, I'm taking everyone's money. You have to give me $500. And I'll trade it for you, and I'll make you $2,000, whatever the number that they lie about. And then they're like, and then because they got so many people that like, they have such a massive following, because they rent these cars and pretend, and then they know that if they spend like $5,000 renting cars and for one day, and they take a bunch of content that can last them like 6 months, they're gonna look like they're living this lifestyle, and then they'll take like literally 1,000 people's $500, and all of a sudden they got $500,000 that they've just taken from people. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so, it's disgusting, man.
It's bad, bro.
It's so disgusting. You know that other dude? There's another influencer. He has like the same catchphrase he starts with every video. He goes like, "Back to another episode of traders selling their ass like it's on OnlyFans."
Oh yes, I've heard. I know who you're talking about. Yeah, he's a skunk too. But yeah, bro, it's good. Just focus on yourself. Like, you can make money doing this. Zach and I have proven that over the years that we've been live streaming. So just focus on yourself and your own trading, bro. Honestly, that's the best thing that you can do.
Dude, definitely, man.
And make sure that you are buying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, okay, before we go, James, someone in the ASFX chat just says, Chase, they just signed up for the Black Shirt Club. They're asking, when will I receive the onboarding for coaching calls and private Discord?
Yeah, Austin will get in touch with you. Yeah.
Probably today or tomorrow, I would assume. Austin will be quick with it, I'm sure.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, Austin will be in contact with you, boss.
All right. Should we call it?
We can call it, yeah, dude. I mean, I've had 2 nice longs today. I've spoken about that, how I've used VWAP. So those were the nice VWAP plays today. I think other than that, don't overtrade, do anything stupid, and on to the next trading day, right?
On to the next day, guys. Me and James, we'll be back on here on Friday. In the meantime,
No.
again,
I'm not. You last Friday. I'm not here. Remember, I'm traveling.
Yeah. James is traveling. I'll be here on Friday though. And in the meantime, guys, check out the stream tomorrow in the morning, ASFX TV. I'll drop the link one more time if anyone on YouTube who's watching on YouTube wants to check it out for free. And all right, bro. I guess we'll catch you later, James. I'll talk to you soon, bro.
Yes, sir. Cheers, brother. Cheers.
Cheers. Peace.